Okay, I'm going to show you the inverted method for making coffee with an AeroPress. Here are all the things we're going to need. Mug, boiling water, or hot water, just below boiling. The paddle to stir the main body of the AeroPress. The plunger of it, I'll set that up to about the 4 line here. The funnel, the filter cap that's going to go on like that, filter itself, coffee, and a scoop. So let's start by, I like to put all this in here first, so it's just set up nicely. I'm going to open the coffee. Got 1 level scoop of coffee. Pour that in like this. Okay, now the water's boiling. Fill it up to almost the top. So there's a little bit of room to get the plunger in without it overflowing. Just kind of push down the grounds that have floated on top of the water gently and scrape the side a little bit just to get everything unstuck from the side so it can float around in the water. Make sure you touch the bottom and stir it around a little bit, and that's about it. Rinse this in the sink. Put the filter and the cap on. Takes about 1/8 of a turn to lock it in place. Funnel on, flip it all at once, and then push. I'm not pushing too hard, just hard enough that it moves. That's about it. With the metal filter I can actually pull back a little bit. With a paper filter that would pull the filter in and then make a mess of the grounds in your coffee, but because I pulled up I can just shake it off a little bit so it's not as much, like there's no pressure pushing it up when I unscrew this. Take that off, take the filter off, and throw a little bit of grounds here. And then this little puck of grounds can go in the garbage. Now this there, just to show you, all I did there was, it was about like this, and I just pushed it all the way so it popped out, and that shoots all the grounds out, and then just give it a little shake. Everything comes out. I like to take this apart to let them dry. Then add cream, sugar, whatever, stir it. And then you'll notice it's not quite a full cup of coffee because that's all it fits in here, but it is stronger than normal, so you can cut it with some water to make it like normal coffee. That's about it. Let me know if you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks.